In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the content tracker right here in Google Sheets with the use of our pre-built tables. So if you're new to our pre-built tables, there's so many types of tables that you can use, and one of them would be your content tracker. So if you're trying to manage the type of content that you're bringing out there, whether that's for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, and all that, you can definitely use this pre-built table to manage your content. So let's go ahead and find that pre-built table. Now, once you open Google Sheets, you will see your tables right away on the right side. So let's say you've accidentally closed tables on the right side and you can't see them anymore. Don't worry, you'll always find them right here in Insert in the menu bar, and you'll see your pre-built tables. If you click on that, it will open the same thing on the right side. So where do we find our content tracker from all of these tables? You'll see it right here between your project tasks and your product prioritization. So if you hover over that, you will have a preview of what that table would look like. But if you click on it, it will automatically be inserted on your spreadsheet. You can close this off now and look at what you can work with. So we have our content tracker table. We have the first column, which is our content, the type of content, details, the owner of that content. Let's say you're managing this for somebody else, then you have those names right there. The status would be whether that's a new one, in progress, if it's published. You will have that here in your status column. Your posted date, which is in date format already. You also have your file, which is in your Smart Chips, where you can instantly link to that file right here. And of course, your notes, which are just simple text. So this is quite easy. All you'll have to do is to fill up all the details of the different type of contents that you're managing. You can put in the name of the content. If you want to edit your drop downs, all you'll have to do would be to click on that drop down and click on this edit button. Once you do that, you'll be able to edit the different options for that drop down. Once you've done editing, then you can just click on done right here. For the details, you can also add another drop down right here. Let's say it's an Instagram post or a Facebook reel or just a Facebook post. You can definitely add it right here. And if you are managing this for somebody else, you can write their names right here, or maybe if you're collaborating with somebody else, then you can also change the type of header you have and put in their names right here. So depending on the type of contents that you have, you already have some suggestions right here, and you can always edit depending on the information or the data that you're trying to put on that column. So again, other than your dropdown, we have your Smart Chips. Now your Smart Chips allows you to quickly insert some of the files that you have depending on, again, what type of column you're trying to fill out. And of course, you can add as many columns that you want to this table right here. And you can always customize the look of your entire table by going to our table menu right here. You can adjust the table range, change the table header color, like so, and even the table formatting. And there you have it. That's how you can use your content tracker here in Google Sheets with the use of the pre-built tables. And by the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.